U.S. Citizenship Interview. Full steps.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I'm here for my citizenship interview.
Can I have your appointment letter and an ID, please?
Here you go.
Good. You can come in now. Please take off your shoes and jacket, empty your pockets, and put everything into the bin. Then walk through the metal detector. All right. Here is your appointment letter and your ID. Please take all your belongings and use the elevator to go to the third floor. Someone there will assist you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Hi. I'm here for my citizenship interview.
May I see your appointment letter and your green card?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Do you have an attorney with you today?
No, officer.
All right. Please take a seat and wait until you are called.
Okay. Thank you.
P2, Mr. Sergio Salazar.
Yes, that's me.
Please come with me.
Sure.
How are you today?
I'm a little nervous, but I'm ready.
That's normal. Please remain standing and raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You may sit down.
Thank you.
May I please see your appointment letter, your permanent resident card, your passport, and a state-issued ID?
Yes, of course. Here they are.
Thank you. I see you also brought 2 passports.
Yes, officer. One is expired, and the other is my renewed passport.
All right. Thank you for bringing both. We'll note this during the travel section. How did you get here this morning?
I came here by car.
Did anyone come here with you?
No, I came here alone.
Did you have any trouble getting here?
No, I had no trouble.
Have you been studying hard for the interview?
Yes, I have. It's an important interview for me.
Good. Do you have any updates since you filed your application?
Yes, officer. After filing, I had one more trip outside the United States, and I also brought 2 passports. One expired and one renewed.
Thank you for letting me know. We'll review that in your travel section.
Thank you.
Let's start with the civics test. I will ask you up to 20 questions. You must answer 12 correctly. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Name one thing the U.S. Constitution does.
Forms the government.
The President of the United States can serve only 2 terms. Why?
Because of the 22nd Amendment.
What is the highest court in the United States?
Supreme Court.
James Madison is famous for many things. Name one.
Father of the Constitution.
During the Cold War, what was one main concern of the United States?
Communism.
Who does a U.S. Senator represent?
Citizens of their state.
What are 2 examples of civic participation in the United States?
Vote. Run for office.
What amendment says all persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are U.S. citizens?
14th Amendment.
What is the rule of law?
Everyone must follow the law.
The nation's first motto was E pluribus unum. What does that mean?
Out of many, one.
Why did the United States enter World War I?
To support the Allied powers.
Thomas Jefferson is famous for many things. Name one.
Writer of the... sorry, I forgot.
Okay, let's try another question. What do we show loyalty to when we say the Pledge of Allegiance?
The United States.
Good. You answered 12 questions correctly, so you passed the civics test.
Thank you.
Now, let's move on the English test. Please read the sentence on the tablet out loud.
When is Memorial Day?
Now, please write this sentence. Memorial Day is in May. Memorial Day is in May. Good. You passed the English test. Now I will review your application. How are you eligible for naturalization?
I have been a lawful permanent resident for more than 5 years.
How did you become a permanent resident?
I became a permanent resident through my family. My daughter sponsored me.
When did you become a lawful permanent resident?
September 8th, 2020.
Please tell me your current legal name.
My current legal name is Sergio Alejandro Salazar Romero.
What is your first name?
My first name is Sergio.
Please spell your first name.
Sergio.
What is your last name?
My last name is Salazar Romero.
Have you used any other names since birth?
No, I haven't.
Do you want to legally change your name today?
No, officer.
What is your date of birth?
October 27th, 1976.
Where were you born?
I was born in Mexico.
What is your country of citizenship or nationality?
Mexico.
Do you want the Social Security Administration to issue you an original or replacement Social Security card and update your immigration status with the SSA if and when you are naturalized?
Yes, I do.
What is your Social Security number?
785-26-1475.
What is your daytime telephone number?
512-555-7643.
Do you have an email address?
Yes, my email address is sergioromero76@gmail.com.
All right. Are you Hispanic or Latino?
Yes, I am Hispanic.
What is your race?
I'm white.
How tall are you?
I am 6 feet 2 inches.
How much do you weigh?
I weigh 154 pounds.
What color are your eyes?
Brown.
What color is your hair?
Black.
What is your current physical address?
Apartment 318, 5300 West Gulf Bank Road, Houston, Texas 77088.
When did you move to the current address?
I moved here on July 22nd, 2023.
Where did you live before that?
I lived at apartment 411, 1446 Tamarind Avenue, Los Angeles, California 90028 from October 2018 until June 2023.
Is your current physical address also your mailing address?
Yes, it is.
Have you lived anywhere else during the last 5 years?
No.
All right. What is your current marital status?
I am married.
If you are currently married, is your spouse a current member of the U.S. Armed Forces?
No.
How many times have you been married?
No.
What is the current legal name of your spouse?
Rosa Elena Martinez Garcia.
What is the date of birth of your spouse?
March 11th, 1978.
What is your spouse's immigration status?
My spouse is a permanent resident.
All right. Do you have any children?
Yes, I do.
How many children do you have?
I have 3 children.
Are your children biological to you?
Yes, they are my biological children.
Are all your children under 18 years of age?
No, one is under 18.
What is your child's name?
My child's name is Carlos Eduardo Romero Garcia.
What is your child's date of birth?
March 9th, 2011.
Does your child reside with you?
Yes, officer.
All right. Are you currently employed?
Yes, I am.
What is your current job?
I work as a warehouse associate at UPS Warehouse.
What is your employer's address?
10155 Monroe Drive, Dallas, Texas.
When did you work there?
I have been working there since January 24th, 2021.
Where have you worked for the last 5 years?
I have worked at the same place.
Have you traveled outside the United States in the last 5 years?
Yes, I have. I took 5 trips.
5 trips? I see in your application only 4 trips are listed.
Yes, officer, that's correct. I had another trip after I filed my N400 application, so it was not included in the form. Can you update it for me?
All right. Please give me the details of that trip.
I left the U.S. on January 10th, 2026, and I return on January 25th, 2026.
What purpose is this trip?
I went to Mexico to visit my parents.
Thank you for telling me. I will update your application with this trip.
Thank you.
Did you stay outside the United States for more than 6 months?
No, officer, I stayed less than 1 month.
Very good. I have updated your application. Thank you for being honest and bringing this to my attention.
Thank you, officer.
All right. Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen, in writing or any other way?
No,
Have you ever registered to vote or voted in any federal, state, or local election in the United States?
no,
Do you currently owe any overdue federal, state, or local taxes in the United States?
no,
Since you became a lawful permanent resident, have you called yourself a non-resident alien on a federal, state, or local tax return, or decided not to file a tax return because you considered yourself to be a non-resident?
no.
What is a non-resident alien?
A person who is not a U.S. resident.
Have you ever been involved in or in any way associated with any communist or totalitarian party anywhere in the world?
No.
Have you ever advocated, supported, and promoted any of the following, or been a member of, involved in, or in any way associated with any group anywhere in the world that advocated any of the following? The unlawful assaulting or killing of any officer or officers of the government of the United States or of any other organized government because of their official character.
No.
The unlawful damage, injury, or destruction of property or sabotage.
No.
Have you ever been a member of, involved in, or in any way associated with, or have you ever provided money, a thing of value, services or labor, or any other assistance or support to a group that used a weapon or explosive with intent to harm another person or cause damage to property?
No.
Engaged, participated in kidnapping, assassination, or hijacking or sabotage of an airplane, ship, vehicle, or other mode of transportation.
No.
Have you ever ordered, incited, called for, committed, assisted, helped with, or otherwise participated in any of the following? Genocide,
No.
torture,
No.
what does torture mean?
To cause great pain to someone.
Have you ever participated in any kind of sexual contact or activity with any person who did not consent, did not agree, or was unable to consent, could not agree, or was being forced or threatened by you or by someone else?
No.
Causing harm or suffering to any person because of their race, religion, national origin, membership in a particular social group, or political opinion.
No.
Have you ever served in, been a member of, assisted, helped, or participated in any military or police unit?
No.
Were you ever a part of any group, or did you ever help any group, unit, or organization that used a weapon against any person or threatened to do so?
No.
Have you ever committed, assisted in committing, or attempted to commit a crime or offense for which you were not arrested?
No.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, detained, or confined by any law enforcement officer, military official in the U.S. or elsewhere, or immigration official for any reason, or been charged with a crime or offense?
No.
What does to be charged mean?
To be accused of a crime.
Have you ever engaged in prostitution, attempted to procure or import prostitutes or persons for the purpose of prostitution, or received any proceeds or money from prostitution?
No.
Have you ever helped anyone to enter or try to enter the United States illegally?
No.
Have you ever gambled illegally or received income from illegal gambling?
No.
Have you ever made any misrepresentation to obtain any public benefit in the United States?
No.
How do you define misrepresentation?
The act of giving false information.
Have you ever given any U.S. government officials any information or documentation that was false, fraudulent, or misleading?
No.
Have you ever lied to any U.S. government officials to gain entry or admission into the United States or to gain immigration benefits while in the United States?
No.
Have you ever been placed in removal, rescission, or deportation proceedings?
No.
Have you ever served in the U.S. Armed Forces?
No.
Do you now have, or did you ever have, a hereditary title or an order of nobility in any foreign country?
No.
Do you support the Constitution and form of government of the United States?
Yes.
Do you understand the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes.
Are you unable to take the oath of allegiance because of a physical or developmental disability or mental impairment?
No.
What does developmental disability mean?
A problem with body movement or function.
Are you willing to take the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes.
If the law requires it, are you willing to bear arms on behalf of the United States?
Yes.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform non-combatant services in the U.S. Armed Forces?
Yes.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes.
Thank you. That concludes with the yes/no questions. Now, please review the updated application on the tablet and make sure if your information is correct. Then please sign your name at Bello page.
Sure.
Great. I also need you to sign the Oath of the Allegiance section. Please read it carefully before you sign. Congratulations. You passed the tests, and I am recommending you for approval. We will try to schedule your oath ceremony today.
Thank you so much, officer.
Thank you for watching our channel. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe for more. We wish you success on your U.S. citizenship journey.